Looking for the ideal furry companion in your golden years? These 9 gentle dog breeds are perfect for baby boomers. Retirement brings freedom, yet sometimes a quiet home misses warmth. Research shows pets significantly reduce loneliness and boost emotional well-being in adults over 65. Caring for a dog also adds gentle activity, purpose, and stress relief. Pets mean less loneliness, more routine, and honestly, just happier lives. So what makes the perfect pup for older adults? I'm looking for dogs with a calm temperament, moderate exercise needs, and loads of affection. Let's meet your next best friend. First up, the poodle. Whether toy or miniature, poodles are hypoallergenic and brilliantly trainable, great for apartments and short daily walks. They rarely shed and love to please. Next, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. With their soulful eyes and gentle nature, Cavaliers love lounging and matching your mood, perfect for emotional support and companionship. Third, the Bichon Frise. These fluffy charmers are cheerful, chatty, and hypoallergenic. Even if your home's a bit quiet, a Bichon can bring a little playful energy and warmth. Number 4, the Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkies are tiny, but fiercely loyal. They're portable, protective, and love to snuggle, ideal for smaller spaces or laps. Fifth, the Chihuahua. Don't let their size fool you. Chihuahuas are full of devotion. They need minimal exercise and often live long, healthy lives, sometimes into their late teens. Number 6, the Maltese. Elegant, gentle, and adaptable, the Maltese is a soft-hearted lapdog that thrives in calm, loving homes. 7th, the Pomeranian. This lively little fluffball brings pure joy with a spirited personality and a watchful, alert nature. They're compact, clever, and love attention. Dog number 8, the Shih Tzu. Originally bred for royalty, Shih Tzus are calm, affectionate, and known for their loving temperament. They're lap-ready, always happy to curl up beside you. And finally, the Labrador Retriever. Labs are famous for loyalty, intelligence, and gentle companionship. If you enjoy outdoor strolls and want a friendly, active friend, you can't go wrong with a lab. Choosing a dog is all about matching your lifestyle and your heart. Whether you prefer a cuddly lapdog or a playful companion, these breeds offer affection and easy care, making every day a little brighter. If you enjoyed this roundup, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite breed in the comments below. Thanks for watching.